Hello students, so I am going to be doing this video because I've been getting a lot of questions on um, just confusion about how to complete some of these assignments. So I'm making this in hopes that it is really helpful to you so that it clears up any confusion with the assignments for you. So these are your week 3 assignments instructions. The timestamps to the directions for each assignment will be in the description box below. So we're going to start in your class. You will be going to your classwork and to week 3 because we are in week 3. If you have not figured that out by now, I hope that this helps you. All right, so the thing that is at the very top of your assignment list, it is labeled every day, week 3 overview and do nows. So since that is labeled every day, that means that you need to be checking these things out every single day of the week. So each day you will come look at your overview. You'll scroll down to whatever day we're on today. When I'm recording this, it is Wednesday. So you see that you have to do your do now today, and you have a poetry photo gallery to complete. So you'll look at this each day, and then the other thing that I have here is your week 3 do now. So let's go through how to do these. Your do nows, you only have do nows assigned on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday this week. So your Tuesday do now assignment is to make your own meme. You will go to this website that is linked right here, and you can select any of these memes, and then you can write your own text right here. When you're finished with the text, it asks for the top text, and that goes on top, and then the bottom text goes on the bottom here. You make the meme, and then you can save it, drag it onto your desktop, and put it back into your do now. So that's how you do that. Wednesday, Wine About It Wednesday. We have been doing this for quite a few weeks now. So you guys should know how to do this. I have noticed that you have not had a problem with this, but I know that it is important to get all of your feelings out. Try and get all your negative feelings out on here, because I know it helps me when I write about my feelings. It helps me to be more positive later on. So it's better than holding all of those feelings inside. Thursday, you're going to be writing 3 to 4 sentences. Don't forget that you need to write 3 to 4 sentences. You can write more than that if you choose, but please no less than 3 to 4 sentences. Same thing for Wine About It Wednesday. On Thursday, I'm asking you that if you could become famous for one thing, what would it be? So you will write that below. And that's it for your do nows for the week. Our next assignment, we are going to go to on Monday you also have to complete this Zoom/Google Meet survey. Most of you have already completed that. Tuesday, you were supposed to complete this haiku assignment. So I'm going to go through and just talk about what exactly a haiku is. So, what is a haiku? It is a Japanese poem of 17 syllables and 3 lines of 5, 7, and 5. So it needs to be 3 lines and follow that pattern of 5, 7, 5 syllables. They are traditionally written about wildlife or nature, but nowadays you can really write them about anything as long as they follow the syllable pattern and they do not rhyme. You should not be rhyming your haikus. So your directions are to read as many of the examples as you wish, and then you're going to write your own 2 haikus. Remember to follow the 5-7-5 pattern. If you would like a challenge, you can change up the syllable pattern as long as the combination of the syllables equals 17 total. If you need some review on syllables, that's what this is for. So let's take the word banana. Ba-na-na. So that's 3 syllables. 1, 2, 3. Watermelon. Watermelon. That's 4 syllables. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you can come over here. Chicken. That's 2. Chick has 1. Elephant has 3. And so on. Then you'll move on to writing your own haikus. Here are a couple examples. Let's read this first one together. Mom watched over me. So there's 5 syllables in that first line, so we're good there. It helps to count on your hand as you are reading. Till I could manage myself. So that equals 7. I counted it on my hand just like I showed you in my week 3 video. The last line, I still hear her though. So that's 5 syllables and it follows the syllable pattern. Mom watched over me till I could manage myself. I still hear her though. So now it's your turn to write your own. So I hope this was helpful for you. Let's move on to our next assignment of the week on Wednesday, which I'm recording this on Wednesday. So today, your assignment is your poetry photo gallery. So for this assignment, I tried to make it fun for you. So your directions, always read those directions first. Find a photo on Google of your favorite sport, food, drink, piece of art, or activity and write a poem about it. This poem can be a poem that rhymes, a poem that doesn't rhyme, or a haiku. Have fun with it. I have linked examples for you to examples of poems that rhyme, do not rhyme, and then your haikus, which you've already worked on and should know how to do on Wednesday. My example is a photo of lemonade. Beautiful, looks very delicious. I could use some of that right now. The type of poem that I wrote was a haiku. Let's read this. Lemonade is great. Great to cool down summer days. Ice cold lemonade. So if you go ahead and count the syllables in each line, you will find that it follows the 5-7-5 pattern. So that's my example for you. You'll scroll down to the next page, insert your photo right here of whatever photo you choose. You will write what the photo is of, what kind of poem you are going to write, and then you will write your poem below here. So those are the directions for your poetry photo gallery. Let's move on to Thursday. On Thursday, you will be completing the virtual poem in your pocket assignment. Since we can't all be together and we can't actually share the poems in our pockets at school, we are going to be sharing them on Flipgrid. So the directions for this, it talks about April being Poetry Month, and it's just a time for us to celebrate poetry, and we can also write our own. So for this assignment, you're going to be choosing your favorite poem from this list that I have linked, which I will show you in a second. Or you can look up your own poem, and you will copy and paste it into this document. You can also write your own poem. Then, after you've copied and pasted it, you are to pick your favorite line from the poem and submit a video to Flipgrid explaining why you like this poem. So first I'll show you this list. So you'll scroll through here, find a couple poems that catch your eye and decide which one you like the best. Then you'll copy and paste it back into here, below here, and ask for the name of your poem, the author, and then you can copy it right here. So let's go up to these steps that I've given you. There's 3 important steps that you need to follow. Your first step, choose the poem from this list that I just went to, or you can write your own. Then you're going to copy and paste that poem right here, just like I have done. Step 3, you're going to post a video of yourself reading the title and author, and then your favorite line from the poem and why you love this poem. And you will post that in this Flipgrid link that I have provided for you. Log into Flipgrid, and you will see this assignment, and it gives you even more directions. And thank you to those of you who have already posted.
Hi everyone,
and
I'm going to be reading
here's
you
my
a
example.
poem.
You can go watch that on your own and then press the big green plus button to add your own video. So that is your assignment for your virtual poem in your pocket. I hope you guys enjoy that assignment. Now let's scroll down to Friday, see what we've got to do. And this one, and you'll see in your weekly overview, I explain it in there as well. Today is a catch-up day, so you do not need to, if you have already finished everything for this week, you don't need to do anything. You could work on your stay-home journal if you would like to. We're going to get back into that next week. But if you really need something to do, then you can do that. And so, but if you are not finished with everything so far, this is your day to catch up on everything, turn in whatever assignments you have not completed. Make sure you complete them before you turn them in. You guys have been loving that turn in button. Make sure when you turn in assignments that they are actually complete. Do not turn in an assignment if you have not attempted it, okay? So I hope that this video was helpful for you, and I will see you guys in my week 4 video. So have a great week and reach out to me if you have any more additional questions. Bye.